Welcome to Our Daily Health. Vinegar. 8 captivating uses of vinegar that you should try out. It might be hard to imagine that vinegar may have much use for you. Vinegar is made from the fermentation of alcohol by bacteria. Acetic acid is produced from this reaction and is responsible for vinegar's strong smell and sour flavor. If you want to write a life hack script, vinegar is probably going to be the top ingredient on the list. Vinegar has many uses, from culinary purposes to cleaning, industrial, and medicinal use. Vinegar can be made by fermenting any type of alcohol. But if you want to use vinegar for your food and drinks, you should use ethanol. You can get ethanol from wine, apple cider, fermented sugarcane, beer, honey and water, and so on. Vinegar. 8 captivating uses of vinegar that you should try out. Number 1. For culinary purposes, you can use vinegar in the following ways. To marinate your meats, seafoods, and in your vegetable side dish recipes. You can also use it to make a sauce. Vinegar would give your food some zing and flavor. You can use vinegar to flavor your salads, but don't put it in large quantities at once. Start with a small quantity and taste as you add so you don't ruin your salad dish. You can use vinegar with baking soda for baking. The combination of these two releases carbon dioxide gas, helping your baked goods rise. Number 2. To eradicate acne. Vinegar has antiseptic and antimicrobial properties, which makes it effective in eliminating acne-causing bacteria. It helps maintain the normal pH levels of your skin and tighten your pores. When using vinegar on your skin, mix it with equal parts of water. Use a cotton pad to apply it to affected areas of your face. Leave for 5 minutes, then rinse off with cold water. You can use it up to 2 times daily for a week for the best results. If you have sensitive skin, it may not be beneficial for you. Number 3. To control blood sugar levels. Many studies have shown that consuming vinegar may significantly lower insulin and blood sugar levels after eating. In one study, consuming a vinegar drink before a carbohydrate-rich meal reduced blood sugar by 64% after eating, as compared to a placebo. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 4. Aids weight loss. Studies have shown that taking vinegar helps you feel full. It reduces hunger and appetite. This helps reduce the intake of calories, thus helping you lose weight. Number 5. To treat wounds and burns. Vinegar is rich in antimicrobial properties, which makes it very effective in treating ear infections, warts, and other physical ailments. You can also apply vinegar topically for burns and skin infections. Mix small amounts of vinegar with equal parts of water. Use a clean cloth to soak it in and dab it gently on the affected area. Number 6. For household cleaning. Vinegar has potent antimicrobial properties, which makes it a great antiseptic and disinfectant for cleaning surfaces and appliances. You can easily clean countertops, toilets, bathtubs, floors, dishes, and mirrors with vinegar. One plus is that it is really cheap and readily available. Mix vinegar with equal parts of water for use as a home cleaning agent. Number 7. For sore throat. Vinegar can help treat sore throat because of its antibacterial properties. It can reduce irritation and dryness in the throat and also soothe your throat. To use vinegar for a sore throat, combine a tablespoon of white vinegar, a pinch of salt, and warm water. Gargle and spit it out. Do this 2 times a day every morning immediately after you wake up for optimum results. Do not drink the vinegar. White vinegar is a solution containing 4 to 7% acetic acid and 93 to 96% water. Number 8. Good for sunburns. White vinegar is great in healing inflammation and reducing itching and pain. It can help reduce sunburn and protect your skin from the ill effects of the sun. Mix 2 cups of white vinegar with your bath water and soak in it for a while. Do this every day. You can also wrap a cloth soaked with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar in cold water around the affected area. Vinegar is safe to use. It can be used for a variety of purposes, from cleaning to cooking, and can give many health benefits. Too much of everything isn't good. The same goes for vinegar. It can aggravate inflammatory conditions of the gastrointestinal tract, such as indigestion and heartburn. It can also degrade your tooth enamel if consumed excessively. Have you ever tried using vinegar? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.